Hey, tell us your first name. What's your first name?
Joyce, Joyce.
Okay, you got in the Relax Sauna yesterday.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun talking,
Yes.
and you came back today,
Yes.
and you were mainly interested in paying for it, but you were willing to get in a second time.
I was.
And in our conversation of talking, you say, I hope it's going to help me sleep really good.
Right.
And then I asked you, how'd you sleep last night, and what did you say?
I said I slept very good, which I don't normally do in a hotel.
Yeah.
But I actually ended up sleeping a good solid 4 hours, which I would never do in a hotel.
Yeah.
And I
So,
woke up this morning feeling better, rested, and I actually could have gone back to sleep, but I wanted to come to the meeting. And I would never thought I could do that in a hotel because I'm usually restless.
and how many years you've been sleeping in hotels?
Well, lots because of my profession, so I travel a lot.
Uh-huh.
And
What's your profession?
I'm an ophthalmologist,
Okay.
and I travel a lot.
Yeah.
And I sleep in hotels or, Airbnbs, and
Yeah.
it's not home. But I don't sleep well at home, so I'm looking forward to this helping me relax enough
Yeah.
at night that I get some good night's sleep.
And when you travel, you can actually take it with you. You saw how travel friendly it is.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can leave the chair at home
yeah,
and just take it with
Sure.
you to the hotel.
really.
Yeah. It's always in my hotel room.
So because you just plug it in.
Yeah, just plug
Oh,
it
I
into the
never
wall.
thought about that.
Well,
So
that.
you can take it with you.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm here for. I'm your catalyst. So what else did you experience yesterday when you got in the sauna?
After I left here, I have back pain.
Yeah.
I told you that when I came yesterday. And I was able to sit in the room last night
Yeah.
in the lectures. And
Uh-huh.
also, we had to stand quite a while before we had our dinner.
Yeah.
And I didn't have any pain while I was all afternoon. I felt much better. And I never didn't think about that being this either. I just thought, well, I feel pretty good this afternoon.
Well, that's
So I have back injuries, and so
Yeah.
I was really comfortable yesterday.
that's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I'm hoping that's a trend.
Well, it may very well be because I've put 150,000 people in the Relax Sauna in the last 21 years,
Wow.
and that's the norm.
I hope so. That's why I'm willing to do it because I want to see if I can help my body be a little healthier.
Well, that's what we're for, to get your body to coordinate with
Yeah,
you.
wonderful. Very good.
So
Thank you.
it's Relax Saunas with an S.com. RelaxSaunas.com is the website.
Okay.
And Joyce, thanks so much.
All right, thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
Thanks.